Many influencers are calling this concealer the Holy Grail. Now, what do I do? Hello, beautiful people. This is Anne, Fabulous Life 101. Hey, if you're not already a subscriber, could you please hit that subscribe button and the bell notifications right now? On my channel, we cover everything from makeup to meditation, to fashion, to anything that makes you feel more fabulous at any age. Well, today I am trying the Lancome Teint Idole Ultra Wear, or is it Teint Idole Ultra Wear? I'm not quite sure how to pronounce it, but I'm going to give it a shot. This is called an all-over concealer, and it's multitasking concealer, buildable coverage. And I've been hearing so much about this. Several influencers, over 40 makeup bloggers that I really respect, like Angie from Hot and Flashy and Stephanie Marie, they all love this and are calling it the Holy Grail. So I figured I have to give it a try. So I'm doing basically a 3-day test. Yesterday, I did it using no powder. It held up okay. I got soaking wet, but the concealer did not seem to settle into lines or anything. Today, I touched up with a little bit of powder, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, when multiple over 40 beauty bloggers are raving about this one product, I just have to try it. Is this really the Holy Grail? This is the Lancome Teint Idole Ultra Wear All Over Concealer. Multitasking concealer, up to 24 hours comfort and wear. I tried it in shade 215 Buff, and I'm thrilled because I actually got to test it. They had testers open again, yay, in Ulta. So I just got it yesterday. This is my first day using it. I've already done all my other makeup. I put on my foundation. I used the Catrice True Skin. I've even done my eyes and my lips. So this is the last step. Oh, and by the way, Ulta right now has this little Lancome gift. This Genifique Concentra Activore Youth Activating Concentrate. I tried a little bit of this morning before the serum. But anyway, here it is. This Lancome concealer. Is it the Holy Grail? All right, I'm going to stop, just use this and do a few little drops right along the hollows under my eye. Oh, wow. And I'm just using my finger to tap it in. Blend a little bit. And then just sort of set it a little with the sponge. Now it blends really seamlessly and it leaves no marks. Nice amount of coverage. Easy consistency, but how does it last? Well, I'm going to wear it throughout the day, and I'm going to wear this for about 3 days during this test, and I'll let you know my results. Okay, today is my second day of using this concealer, and yesterday it held up really well. It did not seem to settle into lines or anything. Now I got soaked. A lot of the rest of my makeup and my hair was a wreck, but this concealer did not notice any like wearing off or settling into lines. Today, however, I'm going to do it again, but I'm going to set with powder this time, and I'm going to see if it works any differently when you set with powder. So again, here it is. I've already got all the rest of my makeup done. This is sort of the last step other than powder and maybe a little cheek gloss. So just put a few dabs and just I'm patting it in mostly with my finger, very gently. Don't want to pull on this delicate skin in this area. Touch up a little bit with this sponge. Okay, now I'm going to use this Tarte powder. This is called Double Duty Beauty Shape Tape Setting Powder. And Shape Tape was one of my previous favorite concealers. I'm going to give you my overall opinion as to which one is better after this is done. So anyway, I'm going to put a little bit of this powder on and just gently pat with the sponge. One more thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take a little bit of this Honest Beauty cream blush and just touch up my cheeks a little bit. Again, and just blot that with the sponge as well. This is my look for today. And I'll let you know later this afternoon what I think about this concealer after 2 days. And then tomorrow I'll try it again and just give my overall opinion. Is it really the Holy Grail? Okay, it's been about 7 hours since I put it on in the morning, and I noticed a little bit of settling into lines, a little more with the powder than I did without. Yesterday I didn't go back on camera because I got so wet, but the skin was still very, very smooth. Today I noticed, particularly right around the bottom of where the concealer was, a little bit of settling into lines. It may be more the foundation than the concealer, but I'm thinking the powder maybe accelerated this. So tomorrow I will actually use setting spray and a sponge and no powder and the concealer, and just overall see what it is both days. I do like this concealer though. It looked good. It goes on really smooth. It blends in with my skin. It's very natural, very seamless. But let's test it out. So far it's better without powder than with. Good morning, beautiful people. This is my 3rd day using Lancome Teint Idole Ultra Wear All Over Concealer. And I'm going to just gently tap it into my eye area, the area right underneath my eye. Just a few little dots. You don't ever want to overdo the concealer. Then blot it in with my finger. Yesterday I tried to set it with powder, and that seemed to make it settle into lines later in the day than it did before. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap it with the sponge and a little bit of setting spray. Okay, it's pretty much blended in. So I'm going to just take this little small sponge, and I'm using the NYX Matte Finish Spray, and just spray a little bit on here. And then gently tap. Just sort of set it into the skin. Okay, that's pretty much all I'm going to do for today. I'm going to put a little bit, let me put a little bit of cheek color on. I didn't do that earlier when I did the rest of my makeup. All right. This is my finished look for today. I've got several meetings. I'm going to be going out. When I get back, I'm going to let you know how it held up. But anyway, this is the Lancome Teint Idole, or is it Idole? I'm not sure. Teint Idole Ultra Wear All Over Concealer. This is a new product. It replaced an older product that was discontinued. I got it at Ulta. It's $29 for 0.43 ounces. And so far, I am really liking it. Is it so much better than every other concealer that I'm going to stop looking for anything new and stop using anything else? Probably not, but it is among my top 5, definitely. Okay, it's been about 8 hours. I was out and about, several meetings, outdoors, in extreme humidity. I mean, it felt like a steam room out there. Overall, my head is sweaty, my face is sweaty, a lot of my makeup just dissolved. However, the under eye area is remarkably fresh. So is this concealer going to be my #1 go-to for a while? Yes, it is. Do I think it's the Holy Grail to the point that I'm never going to try another? Maybe not quite, but it definitely is a favorite. It's definitely among the top ones I've tried in the past couple of years. So yes, I'm going to be using it quite a bit. By the way, if you like this video, I'd really appreciate it if you could give us a thumbs up. Thanks so much. And thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.